Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the language in your Telegram app. Let's get started with the simple steps. First, open your Telegram app on your Android device. Next, tap the three horizontal lines located at the top left of the screen. Then, select Settings from the menu. Scroll down until you find the Language option and tap on it. Here, you can choose your preferred language from the list provided. Changing the language in your Telegram app is quick and easy, allowing you to customize your app to suit your needs. Whether you prefer to communicate in English, Spanish, French, or any other language, Telegram provides you with the flexibility to do so. Now that you know how to change the language in your Telegram app, feel free to explore the various language options available and select the one that best fits your preferences. Enjoy using Telegram in your preferred language and enhance your messaging experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Happy messaging!